Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see how we can pay by cash whenever we are ordering our favorite food on Zomato. Zomato is the food delivery app, everyone knows this, but this video is basically how to pay using cash mode on Zomato. I'll show it to you quickly. My favorite food, I'm ordering it from Bahar Biryani Cave. Here the biryani is excellent always, so I'd be selecting chicken biryani small for the video purpose. Just after selecting this particular biryani, go to cart section, view cart. Just go to view cart. This will be allowing you to select your offers and select offer if something is available. Yes, 40% offer is available, so 80 rupees discount is also I'm getting here. My order payment would be now 148 after deducting all those taxes, and after getting discount of 80 rupees I have to pay this 148 rupees using cash. The prime motto of this video is how you can pay by cash. That is the option, right? So for this, just scroll down, go to your left side down below. This will be the payment option. I have already selected card option here, and always in Zomato there will be several options to pay like credit card, debit card, net banking, UPI payments, everything you can use to pay your order. But today would like to see how you can order using cash on delivery. This is the option, cash on delivery. Just click this. After getting clicked that option, cash on delivery, now you can pay this 148 using cash method. Just click on place order. That's all. It will allow you to pay through cash on Zomato. This, after reaching this order to your home, you can pay this 148 to the delivery executive. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye. Subscribe the channel, like and share the video for more such valuable content.